Okay, take 3 on first video. Had a little technical difficulties. Not anything bad with the tool. Oh, okay, sweet. At least this one works better. So once you press that enough, especially if the leg pops out, you don't have to worry about it anymore. A lot easier to get. Okay, send this back down again. And hopefully I didn't just break it. Alright, I think we're good. Mine is still a pain. I don't know why. So the number 1 opens seem to be a pain. This seems a lot easier for the second one. Definitely not as easy as the ones my dad recommended, because they had like a speed drop. Because I think you just hit the button and everything just drops down. Okay, let's try unfolding this. Okay. Okay, well, that seems a lot more sturdier now. And probably next time, I'm going to do this a lot different, and hopefully it doesn't zoom in the 2x zoom for some stupid reason. Oh, there we go. Okay. So 2 Kobalt stands, like, not really issues with it if I was using it normally, not trying to get a video. So they also have these. On each side. So like, sorry, I need to clean up around here. Obviously use a longer piece of wood. Wait, does it actually not work with 2x4s? 1 sec. We're done that with the damn thing. Okay. And I can't. Okay. Alright. Well, it takes a little bit getting used to, or the board's swelled. It's on a scrap board, not a fresh board, I'll say that. Okay, but essentially, you make a workbench if you're on a job site or whatever. I'm not a contractor, so I don't know anything about that.